If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University question or diploma first year for functions. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 8 onwards up to question number 40. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Now if you come to question number 8, if fx equal to this, then show that this is equal to this. So if you write fx equal to log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, then what you have to show, f of 2x plus 1 plus x square is equal to 2 of f of x. That you have to show. So what does this f do? So if I calculate f 2x by 1 plus x square, so instead of x I will have to put 2x plus this x square. So it will be log 1 plus input is my this one, and 1 minus input is again this one. So if you do LCM inside log, so it will be 1 plus x square, this will be also 1 plus x square, this will be 1 plus x square plus 2x, this will be 1 plus x square minus 2x. So these will get cancelled from numerator denominator, so it will be log 1 plus x square plus 2x, it is x plus 1 whole square, and x square minus 2x plus 1, it is x minus 1 whole square. So it is log, you can say it, or you can say it 1 minus x minus 1 or 1 minus x, both is same. So you can, because I want to make it as fx, so that's why I am doing it log 1 plus x whole square, and it is 1 minus x whole square, or you can write it overall square. So log, if it is a square, it will come down if it comes before log, that is the property of log 1 minus x. So it is 2 into log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is how much? It is fx. So it is 2fx. So proved. Question number 9, find the domain of the function. Again same type of question what we have done earlier, but here factorization is not done. So if you factorize it, I think you can factorize it, it is 4x minus 3x minus 12, and if you take common, it is x plus 4, then x minus 3. So again, what is your for domain, what should be this inside root things should be greater than 0, because in inside root you cannot put negative. If you put negative, then imaginary number will come. That is not domain. Domain is all x, which you can put it here, for that output should be real. But if you put negative, output will be negative. So again you will put poles at x equal to 3, 1 and x equal to minus 4. This is at 0. Number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one 3 will be here, minus 4 will be here. So again we will start from, we will divide it. Suppose we have given 2 bamboos here. So this will be plus, minus, plus. So this side it will be positive, this and this side. So they are asking, we need positive values. So my x should be, so domain is equal to, x should belongs from minus infinity to minus 4. It can be minus 4. For infinity it is always open bracket, no close bracket, because infinity is a huge number, you cannot close it. We cannot reach up to infinity. This is open. So next, if you come to 10, find whether this function is even or odd. For again you will check f of minus x. So instead of x you will put minus x. If you do minus x, it will be minus x mod x, and then it is sin x. Now you can take minus common, so it will be x mod x minus sin x. You can see the original function is returning with a minus sign. This is your original function, so it is minus fx. Therefore fx is an odd function. Now if you come to question number 11, f of this one, g this one, find the value of fog. So fog, you have seen, the fog means fog of x, let us calculate first, then we will put 3 instead of x. So this is f of g of x. So instead of g of x, what you will write? It is x square. So now you think of f. What f do? Whatever input gives, it takes log to the base 3 of that input. So what f do? F do log to the base 3 of input. What is my input here? X square. So this is your fog x square. Now fog 3 they are asking. So instead of x, I will put 3. My input is now 3. So it will be log 3 input. This is 3 square. So in log again square comes before. So it is log 3 to the base 3. Log 3 to the base 3 is always 1, because 3 to the power 1 is 3. So here from here log came. Log 3 to the base 3 is answer is 1. So it is 2 into 1. So answer is 2. Now if you come to 12, fx is equal to root x minus 1 plus root 2a minus x. Again 2 roots are there, so you have to separately think 2. So your x minus 1 should be greater than 0, and 2 minus x should also be greater than 0. Both things should occur simultaneously. So when x is greater than 1, x minus 1 is greater than 0, this, and here 2 is less than x, because if you take that side, or if you put it this also, minus x is greater than minus 2, if you multiply by minus, then it get the equality sign changes if you multiply both sides by minus, because you think minus 2 is 2 is greater than 1, so if you multiply by minus 2 is less than minus 1, so that's why if you multiply by minus it changes. So here that's why it is changed. So one is saying that x should be greater than 1, and one is saying x should be greater than 2, less than 2. So both should be satisfied. Suppose this is 1, this is 2. So one is saying it is greater than 1 person, and another person saying it is should be less than 2. So where is the portion that both are agreeing? So both are agreed in this portion. This portion both are agreeing, because one is saying above this, one is saying below this. So the common area, the common junction between, common argument between these two is this portion. So your x should lie between, both are equal to is there. So your x should lie between 1 to 2. So this is your domain. Now if you come to 13, if fx equal to this, find fx plus 1. So fx plus 3 is given 2x square minus 3x plus 1. They are asking you to find fx plus 1. Now you think, because you don't have x plus 3 direct here, because your input is x plus 3 but your output is not in terms of x plus 3. So you cannot say in place of x plus 3 if you put x plus 1, here you will not find x plus 3, so that you can put it. So you think about x, what value of x if you put it here, it will become x plus 1. So if I put instead of x, x minus 2, because I have to put something instead of x, suppose k, I don't know, so that it becomes x plus 1. Instead of x, I have to put something so that it becomes x plus 1. So let me see what if I put, it becomes x plus 1. So my k should be equal to x minus 2. You take this 1 minus 3, that is x minus 2. If I put x minus 2 instead of x, then it will become x plus 1. So that's why I will put instead of x, it is x minus 2. Another approach can be you make it as an expression of x plus 3, but that will take some time, it is easy. So this is fx plus 1 directly, if you open it you will find, and from here you will get x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3x plus 6 plus 1. So it will be 2x square minus 8, 3, 11x, then 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. So this is your answer. If you come to 14, this one, show that this is equal to this. So if you put phi AB, so if I start with LHS, phi A plus B. So instead of input x, I will put A plus B. So A into A plus B minus B by A minus B plus B into A plus B minus A by B minus A. So let me do it here, left hand side, right hand side I will do it here, left hand side if I do it that side. So it is A square by A minus B and then plus B square by B minus A. So if you take A minus B LCM, so it will be minus actually if you change it. Now let me write it, A plus B minus, if I change it A minus B, then A minus will come. So it will be A square minus B square. If you take factorize it, A minus B, A plus B by A minus B. So A minus B, it should be given here that A should not be equal to B. They have not given here, it should be given in the question. Then it would have been a standard question. Because then only you can cancel this. If A equal to B, you cannot cancel out, because in that case 0 by 0 you cannot cancel. It becomes undefined. So what is your RHS? So you do your RHS phi A plus phi B. So phi A is, instead of x you will put A. So it is A minus B by A minus B plus B into A minus A by B minus A. This is all about phi A. Then phi B. A into B minus B by A minus B plus B into B minus A by B minus A. So this A minus A is 0, so this is 0, this is 0. So it is A minus B cancel B minus A, so it is A plus B. So your LHS is equal to RHS. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.